Hello waves and welcome back to my channel and to another episode of my hashtag TBT, which is my throwback series here on my channel on YouTube, where I look back into my collection and I pick out some old palettes and I let you choose which one you want me to use and do a new look. And this time you chose the Magic palette by Juvias Place. I always have a poll up here in the corner in these videos where you can vote for which palette you want me to use next time. And the last time I think I had like 38% votes on this one. This is the Magic palette by Juvias Place. It is really pretty. I wish I had the mini size though, because this is so big. It's like literally the size of my head, and nobody needs that in their life. I wish I had the mini size, but what can you do? I have this one and that's fine. I did buy this myself with my own money when this one was released, so this one is a bit of an oldie but a goodie in my collection, but I still use it, and as you can see it still performs really good. I have since then though become affiliated with Juvias and do have a code with Juvias. We'll leave that down in the description box in case you're interested in ordering from the Juvias Place site. What else did I want to talk about? I don't really know. I think that was everything. Don't forget to take the vote. I hope you like this look. I love this look. I'm gonna go out shopping in this look right now. And yeah, I think that was everything. Let's just get into the look. Okay, welcome to the zoomed in face. We are gonna do something fun with the Magic palette. I was gonna say the secret palette, but no, that's Nabla. This is the Magic palette. I'm gonna start with this one that's called Koji? No, I think Kogi. I'm gonna start with Kogi and then I'm gonna use Iffy or Ify? No, I think Iffy. I'm pretty sure you say the letters the way that like non-Americanized. Does this make any sense? I'm gonna start with Kogi anyways. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm gonna use this brush and then we're gonna deepen it up with Iffy. And I wanna make something, really colorful but still like dramatic. That's what I'm after today. Oh, I'm sitting really uncomfortable. Okay, I basically have no fallout and now I'm gonna go in with that Iffy. I hope that's the right name. It's really hard sometimes to pronounce things. Doing the best I can. And I am gonna put that in the outer corner. Ooh, it's dark, and I'm just gonna deepen this up with this one. Ooh, a bit fallout from this one though. But I did really pack it on the brush, so I should tap this off a bit. I'm gonna use a bit of this Kogi under my eyes as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna... Maybe I'll use the purple here as well. Yeah, I think I'll use the purple here as well. I think that's gonna be for the best. Just a little bit of the purple. Okay, now I am gonna use Aya, and I'm gonna put that on like the outer part here, and I'm gonna spray my brush a bit to not get a lot of fallout because I'm trying to avoid that. I'm just gonna start with that color. I'm really packing it on so I still get a little fallout, and that's why I feel like it's good to spray it, so at least you avoid like the majority of it. Okay, now I'm gonna choose this one, the Busu one, which is the very green one, and then I'm gonna go into Yara, which is a bit more of a cool toned, what should I call it, like sea foamy green. It's not as bright as this one, but this one goes in the middle of the lid. Okay, so this is the Yara color, and this one goes in the inner third of the lid. Okay, so finally I am gonna use this one that's called Yemoya. It is like a silver, so I'm gonna use that in my inner corners, and that's gonna be it. I am actually gonna do something that I usually do not do. Where's the cap for this one? I'm gonna do a gold eyeliner. I think that that's gonna be cool with this. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Jelly Much. You could use glitter glue and just go in with Nubia. This one right here, that could totally work. And also you can go in with like an eyeliner pen, like something like this. This is white though. This is when I'm gonna use my waterline, but not like white, or maybe like beige or yellow or brown, and then go in with like a flat brush, or either something like this or an actual like eyeliner brush, and just go over with the yellow shade and like press that into the liner. There are a couple of ways to make a gold liner without having a gold liner. This is a Yellow Matte Shadow by ColourPop. Since I have that, I'm gonna use that, but I just felt like I wanted to have something like that. So I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do some mascara, I'm gonna do the white in my waterline, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the look is right now, and I have to say I love this. I think this is so cool. So I used the origami jelly match thing, and that's the only thing I used for a liner, and I think it's pretty cool. I am having on my lips the Peachy Keen by Gerard. It's like a very nice satiny lipstick that has a very nice opacity. Feels beautiful on the lips, so that's what I'm wearing. Oh, I have something in my eye. I'm gonna put some lashes on. I'm gonna put the regular Iconics on because I like that with a wing. So I'm gonna put those on, and I'm gonna fix my hair, and I'm gonna come back, and that's gonna be all. Okay, everything is done, everything is set. I adore this look. I think it is so cool. It's like a mysterious peacock thingamajiggy. I love it. I think it's so cool. It's like a regal, I don't know, it's delightful. And it's like a Thursday, and it's not even lunch yet, so we have a red day in Sweden today. Basically it's a bank holiday, so I'm gonna go out shopping in this on a Thursday. Try and stop me. But yeah, that was everything for this video. Don't forget to take the poll for which palette you think I should be using next time in my TBT series. And I think that will be everything for this one. I will see you in my next video, which is gonna be tomorrow. Okay, bye!